In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link from a button or image on your website. Whether you're trying to make your site more interactive or guide your visitors to hidden content or specific documents, having the ability to link effectively can enhance user experience significantly. So let's dive right into it and see how you can set it up easily. First, you'll want to start by clicking on the button or the image that you'd like to turn into a link. This is your starting point, and it could be anything from a call to action button inviting users to learn more, or an image that showcases your latest product or service you're offering. Once you click on that button or image, a floating toolbar will appear nearby. It's designed to give you quick access to all the essential functions you might need as you design your site. In this toolbar, you'll notice a link icon that looks like a chain link. Click on that icon to open the link settings window. This is where the real magic happens. Once you've clicked it, you'll be presented with various options for where your new link can lead. If you're looking to link to another page within your site, be sure to select the option marked Page. Alternatively, if you want the link to direct your users to a file or document, you'll choose Document instead. Next, you'll need to decide where exactly the link should direct folks. There's a drop-down list that includes all the pages, even those you might have hidden. From this list, select the name of the page or document that you've previously hidden. This ensures your visitors are directed to exactly the content you're intending, which is handy if you wish to guide them to special or additional information that isn't immediately visible on your main navigation menu. One small but important choice you'll have is whether you want the link to open in the current window or a new one. If you want to keep visitors from navigating away from your page, choose to open the link in a new window. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain the existing session on your website while directing users elsewhere for additional information. Once you've set everything up just the way you want it, don't forget to click Done to save your link settings. Now, it's important to remember that these changes won't be reflected on your live site immediately. To make sure everything you've set up is visible to your visitors, you'll need to publish your changes. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your editor and find the Publish button. With just a click, all your hard work will go live for the world to see, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily create a link from a button or image on your website, guiding visitors seamlessly to where you want them to go. Thanks for tuning in, and happy web designing.